In this video we will walk you through writing scripts and adding log results to run your test scripts on the devices in MOZARK's app functional. To get started, you can download our sample app and test package from GitHub. You can also refer to our scripting guidelines for further assistance. I will be using Eclipse to demonstrate how to write a script. To start with scripting, create a Maven project and add the dependencies, tags, and POM XML file. Then create a zip XML under the source main assembly folder. You can get these dependencies from our scripting guidelines. Then create the bog4j properties file under source test resources folder and create packages under source test Java. After the packages are created, write down your user journey in the main test Java file. You can refer to our scripting guidelines to know where and how to put methods to capture screenshots. Once your script is ready, you can go to the app functional solution and upload your script to get started with automation testing.